At Pearson, our responsibility is to help every learner develop their skills, knowledge, and character they need to go out into the world, to take on all sorts of challenges and embrace the opportunities that life delivers.
At Pearson, there's a place for everyone. Doesn't matter who you are or how different you are. There's music, there's sport, there's academics, there's everything for everyone at Pearson.
Ons benadering tot die onderwys is gegrond op die 4 steunpilare: akademie, sport, kuns en geestelikheid.
Pearsonites also have the opportunity to learn important life skills, such as critical thinking, problem solving, collaboration, team spirit, sportsmanship, resilience, adaptability, and creativity.
The first time I was in hostel was very nerve-wracking, but then people were very welcoming and so nice. I enjoy this place because it feels like home.
Celebrating our centenary is an incredible milestone for Pearson. Our first 35 learners were enrolled in 1926. Now, several buildings, 2 fires, and 13 principals later, we have our own thriving campus catering to diverse learners.
We were supposed to write a science exam that morning, and we heard on the radio that the school had burnt down. Our science papers were sprawled all along the road, and we were unfortunately informed we had to go home, and they would let us know when we could come back to school. So that was quite devastating for us. Then we moved from the hill here to the Pearson here, also on a hill, and it's been my home from home.
The one thing I did notice from Pearson, they care about you in general. You're not just one person. All the teachers knew your name, all the students knew your name, irrespective from what year you were. One of my favorite teachers was definitely Mr. van den Berg. Always the kindest teacher. Was also my cricket coach. You could always speak to him about anything.
Yes, my time at Pearson was absolutely fulfilling. My first love will always be standing in the classroom, working with the young people, making them fall in love with my subject. It's absolutely amazing. And the strange thing is, being here for so long, the kids I taught when I was a young teacher, I actually teach their children now.
Pearson is die beste besluit wat ek in my lewe gemaak het om hier na toe te kom vir my loopbaan in die hoërskool.
Net soos ons leerders pas Pearson voortdurend aan, groei en word ons volwasse.
But one thing will always remain the same.
Maxime de Operum.
We do our very best to educate our learners and ensure your child has a firm foundation for life.